Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS MediaConvert for exports, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with AWS MediaConvert for exports, begin by setting up your AWS account if you haven't done so already. Log into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM, Identity and Access Management, service. Create a new user by clicking on Users and then Add User. Provide a username that reflects the purpose of this user, such as MediaConvert user. Select the Programmatic Access checkbox to enable API access. Click Next, Permissions to proceed to the permission settings. Choose Attach Existing Policies directly to assign permissions to the user. Search for the policy named MediaConvert Full Access and select it. Click Next, Tags to continue, although adding tags is optional. Proceed to Next, Review to review your user settings. Confirm that all information is correct, then click Create User. A new access key ID and secret access key will be generated. Make sure to copy these credentials, as you will need them for authentication. Now, open your preferred development environment or command line interface. Install the AWS SDK for your programming language if you have not done so. For Python, you can use pip to install Boto 3, which is the AWS SDK for Python. Run the command, pip install Boto 3. Next, import the Boto 3 library into your project. Use the credentials you copied earlier to configure the SDK. In your code, initialize the MediaConvert client using Boto 3. Set up the parameters for the export job, including the input and output settings. Make sure to specify the IAM role that allows MediaConvert to access your S3 buckets. Call the create_job method to submit your export request. Handle any response or error messages to ensure your job is processed successfully. Monitor the status of your job through the MediaConvert console or API. Once the export job is complete, check the S3 output location for your files. That's how you authenticate and use AWS MediaConvert for exports effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.